Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of installing fonts on Windows 11 using the Microsoft Store. And now, let's get started! To begin, open the Windows search bar and type the word Store. Select the Microsoft Store application when it appears. Once the Microsoft Store is open, use the search bar within the store to look for fonts, and then press Enter. You will discover a wide selection of fonts available for you to choose from. You can install these fonts directly from here. Click on the Get button for the font you wish to install. Ensure that the font is published by Microsoft Corporation. After installation, the fonts will be available on your system, but they might not appear immediately within your applications. To see the newly installed font, you will need to close the specific application you are using and then reopen it. Once the application restarts, the font should be visible and ready for use. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.